5 things that you need to know if you're involved in a car accident. Firstly, make sure to remain calm and don't panic. Take a deep breath and analyze the situation first. If you have minor injuries, exit the car and move to a safer location. Secondly, get important details such as car plate number, location of the car accident, car position during the accident, and the area of the car that got affected. All these details will make it easier to make a police report. Thirdly, call your insurance company and get support and help during accidents from your insurance company. Fourth, get treatment from the hospital. There are times when our bodies are still in shock. You need to make sure there are no internal injuries. Lastly, go to a panel workshop that accepts insurance claims to repair your vehicle. Alternatively, you can contact us. Your accident claims specialist workshop will assist you with your claims and repairs. If you benefit from this tip, share it with your friends. Follow us for more.